This tutorial extends the previous OnBot Java tutorial by introducing FTC HTTP, a tool developed to help teams achieve the best of both worlds when it comes to programming. They can work on their files locally and keep them tracked by version control, while taking advantage of the blazing fast development time and wireless uploading of OnBot Java. Before we show off the capabilities of this application, we will need a working install. First, navigate to the GitHub link in the description, and then to the Releases tab on that page. Download the latest release and be sure that you are downloading the correct executable for your platform. In my case, I'm running Linux. Once the application is downloaded, the installation will differ slightly by platform. The important part is that the program is made executable and correctly added to your path. This process should be the same on both OS X and Linux, but will be a little different on Windows. For Windows, the How to Geek page on how to add something to the path is linked in the description. In OS X and Linux, you will have to update your path in your shell configuration file. After you have added the executable to your path, to verify that FTC HTTP is working, open up a terminal and type FTC _HTTP space and then -v. If this returns the version of the program, congratulations, you have a working install. We can now move on to using the application. Now that you have a working install up and running, we can dive into some of the program's capabilities. If you're coming from using OnBot Java, you will likely want to download all of your programs from the robot controller. Be sure that you are connected to the robot controller via Wi-Fi Direct, and then, in a new terminal, run FTC _HTTP space -d. This pulls the code from the phone and places it in the current directory. If you would like to save the code to a specific directory on your computer, simply add the path to that directory after the -d option. Once the code is on your computer, you can use any text editor you prefer to edit it. In this video, I will be using Atom. Once in the text editor of your choice, you can edit your op modes in any way you'd like. In this example, I'm going to deliberately add a duplicate op mode so that the build fails and we can see how errors are reported by FTC HTTP. In this case, I'll duplicate the reverse engineering file. Once our changes have been made and our files saved, we can upload them to the phone. This is done using the -u option. Like the D option, this command can also be given a specific location in which to search for .java files by adding the path to search after the -u. Once the changed source code is uploaded to the phone, we can start a build with -b. As expected, the build fails, complaining about a duplicate op mode. Also, do take note that options can be chained on the command line. We could have built and uploaded at the same time using -ub. If we delete the duplicate op mode and upload and build again, we might expect to resolve the problem. But instead, the error persists. This is because, by default, FTC HTTP won't delete files on the robot controller. This is to help prevent accidental deletion of op modes on the phone that might not be present on the computer. In order to wipe all files from the phone, we must run FTC HTTP with the -w option. This deletes all files on the phone and will fix our duplicate op mode issue. Let's run the command FTC HTTP -wub. Build successful! This has been a basic demonstration of the FTC HTTP program and will help you make the best of both Android Studio and OnBot Java.